Atmospheric water generator. Atmospheric water generators, or AWGs, are an innovative technology that extracts water directly from the air. Using a process called condensation, AWGs cool air below its dew point, causing water vapor to condense into liquid form. These generators can produce fresh water in even the driest environments, making them a viable solution for arid regions where traditional water sources are scarce. One of the most significant advantages of AWGs is that they provide a self-sustaining water source, free from the need for extensive infrastructure like pipelines or wells. This makes them ideal for isolated communities, disaster-stricken areas, and military outposts. Moreover, modern AWGs are being integrated with renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power to reduce their environmental footprint and make them more sustainable. The latest models of AWGs are compact, energy efficient, and capable of producing hundreds of liters of clean water per day. Innovations in material science have also improved the energy efficiency of the condensation process, further reducing operational costs. With the global demand for fresh water rising, AWGs could become a key player in ensuring water security in regions facing severe droughts or limited access to freshwater resources.